First at 11 tonight, the Ohio Department of Health is discussing new coronavirus case numbers and the pressure the department says hospitals are currently under.
Yeah, all across the state of Ohio, hospitals are being stretched thin, both their resources and the staff. And with fall and winter approaching, it may not get better anytime soon. NBC 24's Brian Steinmetz has more.
On Wednesday alone, the Ohio Department of Health reported over 7,500 new cases of COVID and almost 300 hospitalizations from those cases. ODH Director Bruce Vanderhoff stated that hospitals are being stretched to capacity and that they've had to collaborate with one another in order to give people the proper care.
From 1 year ago today, even though about half of us today are well protected by vaccination, our daily hospitalizations are about triple what they were last year.
In Southeast Ohio, CEO of Holzer Health System Mike Canady said they're at their breaking point. With their short-staffed hospitals, he isn't sure how much more they can handle without patients not getting the proper care they deserve.
We are so short-staffed right now, from nurses who have burned out, left, gone to nursing agencies, traveling agencies that are paying up to $10,000 a week to draw our nurses away. It's very challenging. I've been in healthcare over 40 years, and I've never felt so helpless.
Back up in Northwest Ohio, the sun isn't shining any brighter here. ProMedica VP of Quality and Patient Safety Brian Kaminski stated that this is the perfect storm. With the people afraid to come into hospitals the last 12 to 14 months now coming in, mixing with COVID patients, it's leading to its fair share of issues. And after thinking we were almost out of this pandemic, it's taking a toll on healthcare workers.
The mood is very somber. You know, people are definitely stressed. It's very rare that you run into healthcare workers, patients, and family members that have not been impacted by COVID in some very meaningful way. And so people are feeling the strain and feeling the stress.
All three officials are stressing and urging that the best thing to do to help relieve the pressure these hospitals are facing is to make the choice to get vaccinated and to wear a mask where you're asked to. Reporting outside Toledo Hospital, Brian Steinmetz, NBC 24 News.
Kaminski also stating that 1 in every 8 patients at Toledo hospitals are in for the coronavirus, and a majority of those cases are individuals who are unvaccinated.
A new housing complex for seniors was announced today thanks to a $5.9 million federal grant.